So what is up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve the Rubik Cube in less than 2 minutes. It's so easy and I don't know, most of you solved it in less than 2 minutes, but that's my high record, yeah. Let's start. I sometimes solve it in 1 minute 30 seconds, sometimes solve it in 1 minute and 15. It differs every time, but sometimes it reaches 2 minutes, but I'll try to make it a high record or something. So let's start, and we'll count from 1, 2, 3. Took a long time, I think it was complicated. I don't know. I made it in 2 minutes, but yeah, it took a long time. But next time I'll try to make it in this time. But yeah, this was my first try after I solved it one time before. This is my second time reaching 2 minutes. So thanks for watching.